Good afternoon, friends. I got the munchies and I thought, I want some cheese. And then I thought, no, I want some cheese chips. So, quick reminder for you guys. I'm going to show you real quick how easy it is. We're going to do cheese chips in the microwave. And we are using a couple of older items. So if you still have these around, this is the older design on the medium bar pan just because I just reached for it and I use it quite a bit. You can see it's been used quite a bit, so we're going to be using this one. And you may remember back in the day when we had these lovely pieces, the knives, and I like to use it for cheese. Plastic knives are really pretty good for slicing cheese, so there you go. So if you have one of these, grab that as well. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to turn the camera down. We're using, of course, the handy dandy microwave right over there. In the meantime, let's point the camera down here at the counter. So we grab our cheese. I've already sliced off a hunk of that. I am going to start by slicing not very thick. You can see it's not very thick pieces here. You don't want too much. Oh, that one's a little bit thicker. It'll be okay. Etc. Keep going. Let's finish slicing that. Ooh, one more cut. And then I'm going to take each of those pieces and cut them into 3 pieces. So let's just kind of pile that up here. Sort of like, that's a pretty thick piece there. Oh, well, it'll be fine. We're going to do 3 pieces out of each one of those like that.